Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpet songs and angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flocks by night, they see a bright new shining star. They hear a choir sing the song, the music seemed to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Trumpet songs and angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Now man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day, because of Christmas Day, because of Christmas